The sun gonna shine, and I tell you one thing's been on my mind. This world we live in, well, it's yours and mine. Let's make it brighter while we got time. We are people that make it happen. You and me just reach out and grab it. And I don't know what you've been told, but it's our time, yeah, it's our world. We're all people that make it happen. I see a difference, the day will come when all our troubles we've overcome. We climb the mountain just to see the sun. Ooh, transformation has just begun. We're all people that make it happen. You and me just reach out and grab it. I don't know what you've been told, but it's our time, yeah, it's our world. We're all people that make it happen.
After a long journey of being a bachelor and single, sabi nga natin, now you come to the table of the Lord to proclaim to the world that we both love each other, and now we are putting you, God and the community, as witnesses to our intimacy.
Super, dito na tayo, ikakasal na. So yung for 5 years natin, alam ko marami pa tayong challenges na haharapin. Sana i-bless ni Lord yung relationship natin.
Do you take Christopher here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
I do.
Ito na, nagkatotoo na yung ating pangarap at congrats para sa atin.
Christopher, do you take Michelle here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
I do.
I can see everything.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Here with you, Lord, I can see everything. Hidden and known, we can be anything. Here with you, Lord, I can see everything.
There is someone who will answer back, I love you also, in the person of Michelle, and Michelle in the person of Christopher. Maliwanag ba? Pag-ibig ha, not my good, but the good of the other.
Coriander and the things that we were and whatever makes you feel right.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until the death do us